What's up, everybody? Thank you for helping me hit 10,000 subscribers, which just happened recently. Hopefully it keeps going up. For like a 10,000 subscriber special, what I'm going to be doing is giving you like an update on all the cars that were featured on my channel. I'm also going to be taking a road trip south with my buddies because it's really snowy here and gross, and that's why I've not been getting like videos out, because the weather's just been so bad. So hopefully that changes pretty soon and when we get back. But until then, I'm just going to do a road trip, give you some updates of the cars. Yeah, it'll be fun. So I know this is a little bit different video than you're used to, but hopefully you enjoyed it. So let's head south.
All my friends are we only glow at once.
Yo, what's up, guys? It is 4:30 a.m. Let's go. We're gonna hit the road. We're all pretty hype.
No sleep.
Chris and Sean have been
Up all night.
up all night playing Fortnite, I think.
Dude, I'm so fucking tired right now. You don't know how tired I am. I'm watching fucking SpongeBob at 4:30 in the morning.
Fat boy, what's a fail?
Oh my God.
Highly don't recommend.
What happened? At 1 o'clock you were playing Fortnite.
That worked until 3.
Alright, let's get cleaned up. Oh my God. Drink Red Bull.
I drank coffee too already. I drank coffee at 2 o'clock in the morning.
Alright, we're gonna get cleaned up and hit the road. Let's go.
After dancing through a maze of right and wrong, but who knows the answer? We're puzzle pieces in the sky, so we fit together. We'll rearrange it till it's right, till it's right. Why we lying, crying, hurt each other, wings can take us up. All my friends are fireflies. You can only see us at night, 'cause we shine for love, we fight for love, we make a paradise. All my friends are fireflies. We only glow at night. All my friends are we only glow at once.
What's up, guys? So we just got to the cabin, and I'm just gonna give you an update of the cars that's been featured on this channel from start to finish, pretty much. So we're gonna start with why I started the channel to begin with, and a little introduction. So my name's Peter. I started the channel back in 2016. It was like March or April. We got a Lexus, and I started rebuilding it, and I started the channel to document the whole building process of that Lexus. Then it spread to all my other projects and cars with my RX-8. So now I'm just going to give you an update of all the cars. So starting off with the Cayman, I've got a couple questions in the comments about that. It's sold. So we got it, turbocharged it, and sold it. It was one of those in and out things. Just a project, learning from it, learning experiences, fun to have. That's about it. The next is my RX-8 daily driver. I have some plans to autocross it in the future. There'll definitely be lots of videos of my RX-8 into the future. It's not going anytime soon, so there'll be plenty of RX-8 videos. Hopefully trying to get some different stuff out there onto YouTube. The next thing is the stick shift go-kart. So I know there's also the off-road go-kart. That I sold already. Got that, fixed that up, sold it. The stick shift go-kart I started almost a year ago now. It's been complicated, but I actually have the engine running. I'm really hyped about this, actually. I got the engine running in my auto lab class. I took it in. I got 2 videos planned for that are coming up in the future pretty soon, actually. What I'm going to do is put that back on the cart, clean it up, make it actually look decent, easy to work on, and it'll be fun. And I'll have a really awesome video out on that and a couple more videos this summer, and that one will be fun for sure. Next is the Civic, which I introduced and had about 2 videos on like 2 months ago, and since then it's just been snowy and awful, and I've not been able to work on it at all, so I'm sorry for that. But we will be working on it very shortly. Once the weather clears up back at home, there's been a lot of snow, as you saw. So that project is outside, and we will be boosting that Civic, and that will be starting very, very soon, I promise you that. So the next one is the Miata, which we saw a little while ago. Not really sure what we're doing with that. Gotta see with whenever John's available if we want to get some more videos out with that, but that will probably be out in the future, but no promises. But we'll see if the Miata comes back or not. Finally, the camper van. Actually, this one's a little bit different. That van that we drove up here, everybody in it, we're gonna convert that into a camper conversion van. Like, you know, like seats that go out into a bed, cabinets, sinks, stuff like that. I'll do a whole build video on that, and we'll probably take another road trip. So yeah, that's the camper van build. There'll be a couple of videos out on that. But besides that, that's about it for the car updates.
Quick, I don't wanna keep our lives at risk. Can I move on, climb aboard this ship? We don't have to stay in this routine and die from boredom. Out, leaving friends and parents to their jobs. 9 to 5, a schedule full of towns.
Yo, we are here in Mingo's Falls, North Carolina.
Life gets dark if you never visit Central Park. If you never see volcanoes spark. If you never raise a question mark. It gets tough if you never try to bungee jump or use the ocean beach to make some love. Isn't that what it's all about? Yeah! Life gets dark. It gets tough. Take my hand and leave it all to luck. They'll never catch us if they don't look back. Girl, I promise you the fun won't stop, and we can do it all. Doesn't matter if it's big or small. Responsibilities go out the door. Let's discover what we're living for. Yeah, trusting, holy music only, and we'll set onward, my love.
Let's do it. Oh shit, shit.